Hello student. Now again there is a GOC topic, the stability of resonance structure. This is very important. This is based on the resonance. Now suppose there is a different types of rule to identify which compound is more stable or not. So now there is a first example. Suppose you have CS3 single bond O single bond CS2 plus charge, and you know oxygen contain lone pair of electron. Now what is the resonance structure? So you know very well lone pair of electron is lone pair. There is a conjugation lone pair sigma positive to lone pair donate one electron. Now there is a reversible arrow is there. So now if oxygen donate one electron, so oxygen contain positive. Now there is a one electron for carbon and one electron donate, so there is a formation of double bond. Now the structure of that, okay. So now there is a structure number 1 A and there is a B. So now the question is what? Which is more stable, A or B? So how to identify the compound A and compound B is which is more stable? So now there is a rule number 1. The rule number 1 is what? The rule number 1, more number of covalent bond. More number of covalent bond. So first you check if in these two structure which has more covalent bond. There is a 2 covalent bond and there is a 1, 2, 3. 3 covalent bond. It means compound B is more stable than compound A. Okay. Now the second example, suppose the second example is CS2 double bond CH single bond NH2, and you know nitrogen has one lone pair of electron. Just you check, this is structure number A. You know lone pairs, pi sigma lone pair conjugation again is there. So now lone pair donate one electron. Now this pi donate one electron. Okay, so now if carbon accept one electron, so carbon contain negative charge. Now there is a single bond CH and nitrogen donate one electron. There is a formation of double bond NH2. So first you check in covalent bond. So there is a 1, 2, 3 covalent. There is 1, 2, 3. So covalent bond is same. So how to identify this compound or this compound which is more stable? So now there is a rule number 2. So first you check covalent bond, then after rule number 2. So rule number 2 is what? Neutral species is more stable than charged species. So you know there is a neutral charge, there is a charge, so it means compound A is greater than compound B. Okay, now the question number 3 again, CS2 double bond CH single bond O and O contain negative charge. So again O donate one electron and this pi electron donate one electron. Now the formation again CS2 accept one electron, it means negative charge. Now there is a single bond and oxygen donate one electron. There is a formation of double bond. Okay, one is there and one is extra from oxygen. Okay, so first you check covalent bond. There is a 3 covalent bond. There is a 3 covalent bond. Now in this case there is the same charge is there. So how to check which the compound A or compound B which is more stable? So now there is a rule number 3. First you apply rule number 1, then rule number 2, then apply rule number 3. So rule number 3 is what? Negative charge on more electronegative atom show more stability. Yeah. तो negative charge और more electronegative, तो you know oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, तो oxygen contain negative charge, तो negative charge और more electronegative atoms show more stability. It means compound A is greater than compound B. Compound A is more stable than compound B. Now again there is a rule number 4. Suppose rule number 4 is what? Positive charge on more electronegative element या atom show less stability. Yeah, same. Clear? Now suppose you have the example again, the question number 1. Sorry, rule number 4. There's a rule number 4. Okay, now the question is arrange in the order of stability. Arrange in order of stability. So now the first C double bond O minus, this is a compound A. Now the same C positive, there is a O negative, O minus, there is O minus. This is compound B. C, there is O plus, carbon negative, O minus and O minus. So now in this case, how to check there is how many charges there? There is a 2 negative. There is a 3 negative and 1 positive, it means 2 negative. There is a 3 negative and 1 positive, it means 2 negative. When all compounds show 2 negative charge. So first you consider rule number 1. More number of covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It means compound A show more stability. So compound A is more. Now check these two, which is more stable. So now charge is same. Yeah, neutral species is greater than charge species. So there is a charge, both compounds show charge. So now check rule number 3. Negative charge on more electronegative. देखो negative charge on more electronegative. And positive charge on more electronegative show less stability. It means oxygen contain negative charge. It means B is more stable than C. Clear? Now again, this question for homework. H single bond C double bond O OH. This is compound A. H single bond C O negative double bond O positive single bond H. This is compound B. H single bond C single bond O negative carbon positive single bond O single bond H. This is compound C. Now compound D, H single bond C O positive carbon negative O single bond and H. This is compound B. Arrange in order of stability. Okay. This question based on same for this. Okay, so first you check more stable, then order of stability, decreasing order. Okay. Now again the next question, question number 3. Suppose you have CS2 double bond N double bond N. This N contain positive, this N contain negative. Same CS2 single bond N double bond N. This N contain negative, this carbon contain positive. CS2 single bond N triple bond N, and this this nitrogen contain negative and this carbon contain positive. CS2 single bond N double bond N. There is a positive, there is a negative. This is compound A, B, C and D. So first you check more stable. First you check more covalent bond. There is a 4 covalent, there is a 3, there is a 4, there is a 3. So first you check A and C. So A and C, 4 covalent. In this case, nitrogen contain negative charge. Nitrogen is a more electronegative element, and this nitrogen contain positive charge. It means compound A is greater than compound C. Now then after check B and D. So B, there is a 3 covalent bond, there is a 3 covalent bond, there is a charge species, there is a charge species. In this case, nitrogen contain negative, nitrogen contain positive. It means B is more stable than D. Clear? Again, question number 4. This is homework. This is again your homework question. CS2 single bond CH, single bond NH2. There is a lone pair, compound A is there. CS2 single bond CH, single bond NH2, and NH2 contain lone pair, and this carbon positive and this carbon negative. This is B compound. Now again CS2 single bond C, double bond NH2, this carbon, one hydrogen is there, and this nitrogen have positive, and this carbon negative. This is compound C. Check the arrange in stability order. This is homework. Now question number 5. Just check CS2 double bond CH, single bond NH3, and N contain positive. This is compound A. And CS2 single bond CH, double bond NH3. This carbon contain positive. So first you check covalent bond. There is a 3. There is a 3. There is a charge species. There is a charge species. But in this case, nitrogen contain positive, and nitrogen there is a no positive charge. It means this is less stable. This is more stable. Yeah. Now this is very important thing. There is the check valency. In all the compounds, show check valency. Check valency. Now there is a NH3 is a the valency of NH3 is 5. So this is not possible. It means the compound B is less stable. Sorry, compound B is less stable to compound A. It means compound A is more stable than compound B. Clear? Okay. Now again. Okay student, now there is a very important question which is least stable. So there is a 4 option. So first you check the valency. So first you check the covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So in this case there is a 4 covalent bond. So the answer is what? The answer is this, but the compound is least stable. Least stable. So now in this case this is a more stable. The first you check the valency. 1 nitrogen show 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 plus means 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus means 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus means 4. So nitrogen can never show 4 valency. And again check 1, 2, 3, 4. So nitrogen contain positive, it means 3. So all compounds show 3 valency, 3 valency, 3 valency. But in this case there is a 4 valency. The answer is what? The answer is C. Clear? Okay. Now the next topic is 2 charge species. 2 charge species. Okay, now I have a notes 2 charge of species. Just check. There is a two charge species. So there is a, suppose you have 3 type of atom arranged with covalent bond. There is again. Now in this case, A contain positive, A contain positive, and A contain negative. The same charge on both compound. There is a 2 plus 1 minus, it means 1 plus. There is a 2 plus 1 minus, it means 1 plus. So now in this case, 2 positive on same side. If positive charge on same atom on same side, it means charge density more. Repulsion is there, the compound is unstable. But in this case, there is a A positive, negative, positive. It means charge density is less. No repulsion is there. It means attraction is there. So charge density less, more stable. Attraction is there. It means stability. 2 like charges must be separated for apart. 2 charge. Suppose you have same charge. So these 2 atoms have positive charge. It is near, है ना? But like charges must be separated for apart. अगर दूर होंगे तो there is no problem. So the compound shows stability, but these 2 atoms are in near position, na? That's why. So suppose this is a unstable compound. But in the second example, 2 unlike charges. 2 unlike charges must be close or unstable. 2 unlike charges. must be close are two unlike charges must be close are stable. There is not unstable, there is stable. There is a stable. Okay, clear? Now I have an example. Suppose you have which is least stable. So first you check, there is 1, 2 bond, 2 bond, 2 bond and 2 bond. Yeah, there is a 2 double bond. So first you check first you check covalent same, charge same, है ना? Okay, so now first you check कि unlike charges, like charges, just you check like charges. देखो in this case there is a positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Clear? Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive on. This is not near. This is a far. Okay, but in this case there is a positive, positive on this nitrogen and the next carbon. It means there is a same charges means more repulsion is there. The compound is unstable. The answer is least stable is what? Compound A. Now again, just the last question, which is more stable? Suppose you have two compounds, so just you form, there is a CH3, there is a CH, there is a CH double bond, CH2. Okay, now same for this, you arrange with carbon, huh? So now in this case, this is 1 degree carbocation. Now you know carbon double bond show minus I group. Yeah, carbon there is a double bond group, double bond show minus I effect. So you know minus I effect, what is the work of minus I? It is electron what? Withdrawing group. So already carbon have positive charge, it is electron deficient. So how to donate carbon electron to this group? So this is instability form is there. So charge plus charge increases, instability increases. Now in this case, one side is minus I group and one side is plus I group. So plus I group, what is the work of plus I group? Plus I group donate electrons. It is electron donating group. So it donate easily. It easily donate electron to this carbon, and electron is a negative charge and carbon there is a positive charge. So it means attraction is there. The compound is more stable. So charge reduce when plus I group donate electrons. So charge reduce, it means the compound is stability. So in this case the rule is what? Check inductive effect. So this is a full explanation of stability of resonance effect. Okay, so first you solve these question, then after you have any problem, then call me or message me. Thank you and have a nice day.